So does the Tesla Model 3 have fuses? No, it doesn't have traditional fuses. It doesn't have fuse boxes. You can't access fuses. You can't find fuses in this car because it uses electronic fuses. So basically, these are the fuses that are integrated into the circuit boards, or they may be fusible links in the wires. So you can't see them, you can't find them, and even if you find the fuse, you'll probably not be able to replace it unless you are an electrician or an electronics specialist. So this car doesn't have fuses, and it uses about half of the wiring that is used in Model S, for example, that has traditional fuses. And that's how optimization works. And what you do if you suspect there is a blown fuse in your vehicle, for example, the headlight doesn't work, or the 12-volt outlet doesn't work, and in an ICE car or even in some other EVs, you would just check the fuse. In this case, you will need to wait at least 60 minutes, better 90 minutes, and the fuse, that is electronic fuse, it may reset. So it may reset on its own, and your 12-volt socket will start working after that time. This is the one opportunity. The second opportunity is to reset the Tesla. One way to reset the Model 3 is to press simultaneously these two buttons. So you press them and keep holding them for 5 seconds or 7 seconds, and the screen will reset. It only resets the screen. You will not lose any information or whatever. And after that, the fuses that are electronic fuses, they may start working again. And also the other way to reset, more options, is to go to controls by pressing this car here, then safety, and then you go down here and you see the power off button. So you click power off and the car will reset. A lot of functions will reset. It also will not delete any information from your vehicle, so you'll still have all radio stations or whatever you have, phones connected, but it will reboot the system and the fuses may start working. So there is no way to access physical fuses in this vehicle.